HP already showed most of its hand late last year, with dropping a leather laptop and a slew of updates to its premium Spectre line, so it's no surprise that the company doesn't have much to unveil here at CES 2019. But that doesn't mean it has nothing intriguing to share. HP is launching the world's first AMD Chromebook with integrated Radeon graphics, and it costs just $269. A big part of the reason for the low price is the AMD processor, which typically can be found in cheaper devices than, say, the same thing powered by Intel. The HP Chromebook 14 uses a dual-core AMD Stony Ridge A4 or A6 CPU with integrated Radeon graphics, and it chugged along smoothly as I pulled up multiple websites during my brief hands-on. Unfortunately, I didn't get to test any graphics-intensive processes to see if the Radeon GPU makes a difference here. A sub-$300 Chromebook isn't unique. Most of the early Chromebooks cost about $250 or so. But because HP presumably saved some money with an AMD chipset rather than an Intel one, it was able to squeeze in some bonuses while keeping the price low. The Chromebook 14 comes with dual speakers tuned by Bang & Olufsen for crisp audio, as well as a battery that the company says should last up to 9 hours. In addition to packing a GPU, the Chromebook 14 also sports a resin finish that's supposed to help the device better resist scratches and bumps. I didn't throw it around to test that claim, but the gritty exterior certainly felt hardy when I played with it. The ink blue version I saw was quite attractive, though the laptop is also available in gray and white if you prefer something more conservative. Since it uses a fanless design, HP was able to keep the Chromebook 14's profile to a slim 18.35mm, but the laptop still felt slightly chunky compared to the latest Chromebooks. Those tend to cost slightly more though. The new HP Chromebook has 3 display options: Full HD Touch and HD Touch and Non-Touch. The unit we saw was the Full HD model, and it was responsive and easy to read. It's not the brightest or the most vibrant screen I've seen even for a Chromebook, but hey, it's only $270. I'm not gonna complain. You can already get the Chromebook 14 for that low starting price, though expect upgrade options like a sharper touchscreen or a faster processor to bring the cost up. With the Chromebook 14, HP is expanding its portfolio of Chrome OS devices, just as the rest of the industry is pushing out higher-end Chromebooks. We're sure to see more of them here at CES 2019 and throughout the year, so for all of the news, stay tuned to Engadget.com.